Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Let us try to understand how to generate the area chart in Tableau. So in case of Tableau, these are the variables which are known as dimensions, and these are the variables which are known as measures. Let us pick up one dimension from here and one measure from here. So let me pick up from here order date and sales from here. For multiple selections of the variable, you can press the Control tab on your keyboard, drag it and drop it on the canvas. Now you will go in this Show Me and activate the area chart. So the area chart is ready. In case if the chart is not accommodated, you can click on Entire View or Standard View. Now I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it into the color. So my area chart has been divided into three segments: consumer, corporate, and home office. Now I can include one measure also from here. So I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the label. So I'll get the profits. If I want to include the quantity, I can pick up the quantity and drop it here, the quantity. Now again, I can generate more charts, or rather, if I include one more dimension here, then I'll get more than two area charts. So I'll include shipping mode, or let us say the category, and I'll drop it in rows. So furniture, office supplies, technology, their sales. So we have got the category also and segment also. Now if I want to include one more dimension, so I'll pick up the shipping mode and I'll drop it in the columns. And you can see 12 different area charts have been generated. So depending upon your requirement, you should generate the area chart. For more videos on Tableau, you can kindly subscribe to my channel, see my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe the channel.